What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be washing the VTX 1800. I just kind of washed it the other day, so kind of clean, kind of not. I missed some spots, so we're going to be going over full detail. Then I'm going to be dropping it off at the shop, which I'm just putting a tire on, so I'm hoping they just say, wait here, we're going to put it on real quick, and it'll be done, because it shouldn't take that long. It's one tire, so... Another thing is my Honda. My Honda should be done today. I sent it in a week ago because I couldn't get the header off because it was rusted on there really bad. I didn't have the tools for it. So I dropped it off about a week ago and still haven't heard anything about it. So it should be done today. I'm going to call, see if it's done. Didn't ask for a lot, just a header, exhaust, spark plug change, oil change. Didn't ask for like a engine build, so I'm not sure what's taking so long. So look, it's shining already. But yeah, we're going to detail with the Chemical Guys kit. I got like a foam sprayer. It came with like a foam sprayer. Came with some soap, wet wax, some towels, a bunch of shit. So yeah, all right, guys, let's detail this. Alright, guys, so we just cleaned the bike. I haven't got a word on my car yet, so yeah, if the car does happen, it'll be in this video. If not, then this is going to be the end of the video, and you already know what I'm going to say. Subscribe, like, share, blah, 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 blah. So yeah.